In this video, I'm reviewing SimilarWeb, one of the most well-known platforms for website analytics, competitive intelligence, and market research. I've been testing this tool to see how it performs in real-world scenarios, especially from the perspective of someone who needs accurate and timely data for SEO, traffic analysis, and competitor benchmarking. Once you land on the homepage, the design is sleek and modern, with clear navigation. The main offering of SimilarWeb is its ability to analyze traffic sources and user behavior for nearly any website. This is particularly valuable for businesses that need to benchmark against competitors or understand their target audience's digital habits. I started by testing the free version, which gives you access to basic traffic insights like total visits, bounce rate, average visit duration, and traffic sources. One thing I noticed right away is that while the interface is user-friendly, the free version is heavily restricted. You only get limited data points, and after a few searches, it pushes you aggressively toward upgrading to the premium plan. That's not necessarily a bad thing if the paid version delivers value, so I upgraded for this review. Inside the premium dashboard, you get a much more detailed view of website performance, including geographic visitor breakdowns, referring sites, keyword rankings, and even mobile versus desktop traffic trends. These features are helpful for crafting marketing strategies or identifying where competitors are getting their traffic. There's also a powerful industry analysis tool that lets you track trends across entire sectors, which is especially useful if you're working in e-commerce or SaaS. Many useful links you can find in the description. However, the data accuracy can be inconsistent. While SimilarWeb claims to aggregate data from multiple sources like ISP data, public data, and direct measurement, the reported numbers often vary significantly from those in Google Analytics. This might be due to estimation models used, but it's something to be aware of, especially if you're using this data for important business decisions. Also, some competitor websites show insufficient data, which can be frustrating when you're trying to build a complete market picture. Another feature I found useful is the Keyword Gap tool, which compares your site's keyword performance against competitors. But again, keyword data can sometimes feel outdated, and it lacks the granularity you find in tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush. The traffic journey map is a nice visual touch, showing how users arrive at and leave the site, but this is better suited for high-level overviews rather than detailed UX audits. One area where SimilarWeb shines is in its exporting capabilities. You can download reports in multiple formats, and the custom dashboard builder lets you track KPIs most relevant to your workflow. But be prepared for a steep price if you're a solo entrepreneur or small business. Premium plans are geared more toward enterprise use. To wrap it up, SimilarWeb is a powerful tool for competitive research and traffic insights, but it comes with limitations in data accuracy and accessibility unless you're paying for one of the top-tier plans. If you're looking for a quick traffic overview or industry benchmarking, it's useful. But for deep SEO work or daily tracking, you may want to supplement it with more specialized tools. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more honest reviews like this.